Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi guys, surprise! Hi tol. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to our bunso, kaputol, and manager. Happy birthday kaputol. Thank you kaputol for your unconditional love and generosity and blessing to others. Gusto mo kaya kakaputol, palo mo lang. Good health, matang malambat na beabe, at saka tala enjoy din kaya katamo, ipagalan na mo din. Tuyo, basta ang balay boss Aiken, solve kaputol, bastong nangaman mo na kaya katamo, magretiro 1 million. Anyway kaputol, kahit tapining basta gusto mo talaga kaya kaputol, good health and especially more money. Dakala salamat kaputol kaya kang south kaya kami emo kaya kaming kapatid mo boss A ano na doon boss A lalong na ka rin bayo mo karyati mong Grace po ang ating mong Isel po rin kamag-anak tamo po kareng kaya kang pangunakan. You are blessed to other kaputol. Ikang bless mo kaya kami. Sao po bibigyan mo kaya kami kaputol. Dakal salamat. Ang ganya kayo ni kaputol, yung ka na akong wish. Basta good health and more money. Enjoy life kaputol. Enjoy. Dakal salamat kaputol. Loy ni, balong naman at tinak na naman kayo ng mulat our retirement place. Okay, kaputol? Love you kaputol ko. Mama chup. Masaya akong yan kaya kakaputol. Balo mo nito. Kaya ako nga doon Pradjun. Salamat kaya kayo. Happy birthday tol. Love you kaputol ko.
Happy birthday, our manager, Roy, Liza. Enjoy your special day, kaputol. And salamat kung ganaganang support. Bingi mo. You're so very generous. Kaya bless ko. And hanapin ko ang Ariel. Ang po ito yung all for one for all. Ang po yung mangoring share your blessing and hanapin it's better to give than to receive. Iting atutunan tamo kari Mang, kari Kong Ariel, kari Tang, and parents tamo. Jam marayo tamo king bawat netong kami kakalugod. The best tamo. Okay, enjoy your birthday kaputol. I love you, mama chup.
Hi! Happy birthday, sister! Enjoy your day. God bless and good health always. More blessings to come.
Happy birthday kaputol, our manager, our very generous sister. Enjoy your special day kaputol. All ka blessing and you share to us, your family, and enjoy kamo. And wishing you good health and more blessing to share to us, lalo na more bonding and ditak na ang kembot abe tanak yan.
Love you. Enjoy your day. Mwah,
chup.
Hello, Tita. Happy 47th birthday.
Thank you for everything that you did. You have a long day.
Thank you for always guiding us and thank you kasi nilagay kang party ngayon. Mag-graduate mo on time. We love you always and take care and good health. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita. I wish you nothing but the best on your special day. Thank you kay Nilang Xiao mo. Kita ka na dito, Tita. May social media to. Ganda mong business partners. Good health, more clients to come, more birthdays to come, and sana I enjoy the morning views tuwing hanggang hard work. Love you.
Hello, Mom. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Good health always, and God bless you always. Thank you for everything. Thank you po. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day.
Hello po, ma'am. Happy 47th birthday. Today is your special day. I pray that Lord will grant you long life, good health, and more birthday to come. Enjoy your day. Thank you po, ma'am, sa lahat.
Una sa lahat, thank you dahil napunta ako dito sa iyo. Tsaka maraming salamat dahil sa wakas makakatapos na yung anak ko dahil sa tulong mo. And happy birthday. Sana hindi ka magbago. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. At sana maraming blessings na darating sa iyo. At itinuring mo akong hindi iba. Tinuring mo rin akong pamilya. Nagpasalamat ako na dito ako napunta. Unang-una, parang pakiramdam ko may kapatid ako at may kuya ako. And stay healthy and more power and God bless. I love you so much and happy birthday.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sis. Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Ma'am!
Go.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Go.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Go.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Go.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Go.
Happy and blessed birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday! Birthdays to come!